What's up, everybody? It's Eric. It took me a while to put this out. I don't know why. I just got to my 7th prestige, and special ops is kind of, been what it is, where it's at. I mean, not really where it's at. Kill switch, infiltrate a Russian communication station, and detonate an EMP. Special ops hasn't really been where it's at for me. It's been more, what's it called? Multiplayer, because I just got to my 7th prestige. So, yeah. So, I haven't played this yet, but it is kill switch. You're supposed to do something with some communication station, a masturbation, and yeah, this guy doesn't have a mic, but it's alright. Trying to run like a little doggy for. That's cute. See, now it's not popping up, so I don't know what I did. Yeah. Alright. I think whatever it looks like it's moving. It doesn't do it for you guys. I watched my brother play this, and it's actually a really fun mission. Yeah, I'll snipe on my side. Really fun mission. You get to come up here in the sniper tower and completely destroy children, which is always fun. So. I wonder what they think when they see all of their people fall. Like, oh, better keep going. Like, it just you kind of wonder. Like my friend, we were playing zombies, and he's just like, I wonder. Oh shit. He was just like, I wonder what these zombies think. There we go. He's just saying, I wonder what these zombies think. Oh, I see all my second and third cousins over there just dying, completely getting destroyed by those 4 guys over there. So let's just all keep trying. Yeah, it's effort. Yeah, effort. Oh, fuck. So now I use the Reaper. I was just messing around with those things. So yeah. Oh no. Good advice in this is to destroy all the crisis feeds. What the fuck? Oh, he already got it. That's nice. Really nice, actually. So, what you could do... Oh, I lost... Oh, no, not my... No, dang. I was gonna snipe. Alright. I didn't think that when I fell, I lost it. That sucks. I was gonna quickscope niggas. Not niggas, but children. Oh, shit. Watch out, T-Raw. This guy's name is T-Raw. T-Raw. Same nigga, big raw. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, double kill, get blown apart. Napoleon blown apart. Haha. Ha ha. It's a joke. Bitch, who you trying to bump? 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 Oh shit, that's who you're trying to bump. Okay, it's me. It's clearly me who he's trying to bump. It is confirmed. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. Alright, give me up. Give me up. Hey, wingman. Give me up. Bad idea, shoot at him. Hey, get the fuck out of here. Yeah, alright. So you should get this 15 gamer score achievement, 141, which clearly means you completed, let me look for it for you guys. Achievements, Modern Warfare 3. Complete kill switch specialized mission on any difficulty. Okay. Alright, and I hope you enjoyed. That's the end of this video. Remember to like the video, comment the video, and subscribe if you want to see videos similar to this one. See ya.